Hi guys, Callum at Spotless Detailing Group Perth. How are you doing? It is the 4th of March. How are you doing? We just want to do a wee walkthrough of what's happening this week in Perth branch. We've had this lovely Audi RS3 in for our new car silver package. This is a one-stage correction, just remove minor imperfections on the body. This one was actually pretty good. There was a couple of localised little spots on this one. This has had CSL 5 year, then it has the EXO 2 years, so the double coating works really, really repel. You get that hard base layer with a super hydrophobic water repellency on the body. We've done the wheels, we've done the glass, we have done the engine bay, we have done the interior on this one. Absolutely everything. Really, really, really nice car. Lovely colour actually. Really like that gloss black carbon fibre combination. You come through here to the workshop. Big Jamesy boy and Mark have just finished drying all these Porsches because we are Porsche specialists here at Porsche Perth. Oh my God, what's going on, Mark? I can't even speak today, I'm so sorry. Woohoo! Compose yourself, Callum. It's Porsche Centre Perth. It's I'll grab this start again. There's too many Porsches, I'm so sorry. We do work for Porsche Centre Perth. That is it, not the other way around. We are not Porsche Centre Perth. We are a partner of Porsche Centre Perth. Lovely McCann in for our bronze package. That McCann is in for our bronze package as well. That is from Platinum, which Jake James is gone. We've got a lovely Porsche 928. That has been in for our two-stage correction, along with CSL and EXO, same as the RS3. The interior is actually getting pulled out of that one and then fully restored by another person that we use locally, so that's really, really good, handy to know. So if you're wanting any leather repairs or anything like that done, we can help you out there. Lovely new Porsche Turbo 50th anniversary. This has just been in for our gold protection package with Porsche Centre Perth. The front end and the side sill have been done with X-Built Ultimate Plus, and we need to wipe that body down. And if you look in close here, Mark, look. So this is a brand new car, but we do have some damage across the top of the panel, so we're going to have to mask this off, and then polish all the little marks out of the paintwork ready before we apply G-Tech Platinum onto the body, and then we'll ship, whoosh, that one back to Porsche Centre Perth tomorrow. And the final one of the day, this lovely bright green Porsche Macan GTS. This is in for our gold package as well from Porsche Centre Perth. Includes front end, side sills, new car prep, along with 5-year platinum package as well from G-Technique. So really, really cool that we've got this really good relationship with Porsche. They send us cars. Anybody that wants a new car prep or X-Built Ultimate Plus fitted to their car before they pick it up, it comes to us. Us, not them, it goes to us. Then we provide the service and then we send it back. So all the warranty and everything else is held with us. So really, really good relationship. So if you've got a new Porsche coming and you want it done, let's get with Porsche Perth. Speak to Ali and the boys and the girls up the road and they can sort you out. And it's us that'll do your car. Cheers, guys.